Hello dear viewers, how are you? I hope you all will be fine and doing well. Welcome to our channel all about maths. In this video lecture, I am going to find the integration of an expression having greater power, that is 3, that is cube, and we don't have any the the geometric like sine theta, cos theta, this is a simple equation. So we have to find its integral. So if you want to find the integral, so this is the, let me find integral 4 of this. Okay, so what will be the integral of this? F of x. So let's suppose this is f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 6x plus 1. Now finding integral, here we to use power rule. In power rule, what happen? This will multiply with the variable and power will be subtracted with 1. So f of x, the first integral is this, that now it will be like this. 3 will multiply and 3 minus 1, it will be equal to 3x square. So we can write here 3x square. This one, as you can see, here is 3, and when 2 is multiplied with this, we will get 6 x. 2 minus 1 will be 1, so we don't need to write it. Okay, here 6, because here is 1. When 1 is multiplied with 6, we will get 6, and here will be 0 and x become 1. 1 multiplied by 6 is 6, and the integral of a constant value will be always 0, so we don't need to write plus 0. Okay, we doesn't need it. So now integral second, f of x. Okay, oh no, I am right, sorry, it is right, simple as like this. Okay, so is equal to, here is 3x square, it will become 6x minus 6 plus 0 plus 0, but we don't need to write 0 0. Okay, now this is the third integral. What is the third integral? Let me write over here. Here is 6, so 6, and here is 1, so 1 multiplied by 6 is 6, and 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, and here is 1, so it is 6. The other is 0, we don't need to write 0 again. So now we are going to the fourth one, and the fourth one will be 0. So dear friends, this is the simple integral of this, that how you can find the integral of a simple given expression. Let me of a single function, sorry, I am again and again calling it okay, again and again I'm calling it equation or expression, but it is the function. Let me write another function, that is f of is equal to this is 6x cube minus 6 square minus 6 square, not square, his square is already, we have one square, we will write it over here, simple x. Okay, so first integral will be here 3, so it will be multiplied with 6, so it will be 16x square minus, here is 2 multiplied by 6 will be 12x, and here we will get simple 6. Okay, so we have to find third integral of this function. So this is the first function, first integral. Now we have to find the second one. So here 2 is here, so it will be multiplied with 18, so we will get what, 18 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16. 6 is 1 over here, 2 multiplied by 1 2, and 3 36. We will get 36x minus, here we will get 12, and it will becomes 0. Now integral of third here, so here we will get 36, and 1 minus 1 will be 0, and 1 multiplied by this, and this will become 0. So 36 we get. This is the third integral of the main function. Dear friends, if you like this video, you must need to subscribe our channel, because in future we will upload more interesting videos. And if you have any question, if you have any issue in your topic, so you can tell us in the comment section, and we will provide you the solution in our next video. Thank you so much for watching.